Hello everybody and welcome to my Apple Watch Series 3 unboxing video. As you can tell, my new iPhone 10 down here is software updating as it does the restore from iCloud backup from the Apple iPhone 6 I was using from Verizon that my dad had. So I did already open it. I just didn't open it. I just had to get it to where one-handedly I can open it. So this is the 42 millimeter sport sport band black space gray aluminum cellular model. That little red dot signifies that it is the cellular model. Got it through T-Mobile, and there we go. Nothing on the inside of the lid, and it should be right under here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Designed by Apple in California. There it is. Now, I haven't had a aluminum model in a while. The reason why I went with this is because I've seen people successfully buy those bumper cases and not nick the aluminum. Plus, way more inexpensive. The one I've got here on my wrist is, you can see little nicks here and there. That is stainless steel black. I think they call that space black. The band is something I'll be using. This is the sport one that comes with this, but I'll definitely be transferring this one over. But I just wanted to get the latest and greatest because this guy is out of warranty and slow. So we'll see how this one works. But this is it. Unfortunately, I can't turn it on yet because it's just going to come up with the normal, hey, what's the language? And then I got to set it all up. So this is going to be, unfortunately, pretty short video. Oh, they changed the packaging a little bit, so let's open this. Because this used to be inside of a little shell of some sort, if I remember correctly. But, oh my gosh, got a new charging cable. It looks like a 1-meter charging cable with the little dish there. And the standard 5-watt charging brick. I don't think I'll be using any of this at this moment in time. Yeah, this used to be inside of a little plastic shell, I think, specifically here, but they must have gone cheaper with that. I'm guessing in here we should have the... Come on! It doesn't want to come out. Yeah, I feel the weight. So this has the quick start guide right here. It has the warranty information, and then this is the... And it doesn't state it right there, but that's something. Used to say S and M for small, medium size band. That'll be used. So this is the large band. Probably large, extra large, and this is small, medium. So I'm going to definitely give this one a go and see how it goes from there. But I will be doing the 48-hour review on the iPhone and my new Apple Watch, so I'll give you that information shortly. I did not make it to the Apple Store or Best Buy, which I know Best Buy has some, but I think Apple does too. I may go on Amazon to get that bumper case just to protect the aluminum, because working at Costco, you have it's prone to getting scratches and stuff, and the aluminum isn't quite as tough as stainless steel, but it's definitely cheaper. So anywho, this is, again, sorry it's such a short video. It's just the Apple Watch unboxing, Series 3, cellular model. So we'll see how it goes from here. Thanks for watching, and look out for that 48-hour review. Alright, bye guys.